25 glorious years. On the 25th of January 2025, NIEC proudly marks a quarter of a century of shaping futures, guiding dreams, and creating a tapestry of success stories. To commemorate this splendid milestone, we are delighted to present an unmissable offer, a whopping 50% discount on all test preparation courses and free processing. Yes, you heard that right. Your aspirations are now twice as attainable. Plus, university representatives will be conducting one-on-one counseling sessions to quench your thirst for studying abroad. Whether your dream destination is the US, UK, Australia, Canada, Europe, or beyond, we are here to guide you with test preparation courses and free processing tailored to your ambitions. But that's not all. Prepare for an unforgettable celebration. Join us on this momentous day for an extravaganza featuring live music, scrumptious free food, exciting games, gifts for all, and a host of surprises guaranteed to leave you smiling on the 25th of January from 11 a.m. at NIEC.